I just got my GreenStalk in the mail and I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing with you guys. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm in my guest room, so there's not so much room for me to open this, but it gives you a little packing list. I got 3 different things. I got the 5-tier original green. I got the green lid, and then I also got the base mover, called mover or whatever. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I have this lid here so that this goes over the water reservoir so that there's no debris that gets put in there. So that's nice. Looks like this is the water reservoir. This is way bigger than what it looks like online, so that's crazy. Kind of looks, it fits perfectly. You can stick your hose in here or use like the irrigation system thing that they have. Okay, so this is the mover. I got the most basic one that they had because I didn't want to have to spend all the money. So sorry you can't see my face. Okay, so these are the little pots that the water gets dripped into. And I didn't know this, but this also has this irrigation tube that goes like that so that the water from here can drain off. Also came with wheels and instructions on how to set them up. I can't wait to set this up. This will be so much fun, and then I can tell you guys how much soil this takes. I decided to just go with the original one. Oh my gosh, look how cute these stickers are. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, let's take a look at all of them. Okay, so here's the first one. That is so freaking cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but these are so fun. This one says, "Let's grow." Oh my god, that's cute. A little ladybug. Then we have some plants. Is this chard? It kind of looks like chard or kale. Maybe kale. It's party time with thyme on there. These are so cute and such good quality. Oh, I love this one. I am such a fan of flowers. I will definitely probably do the top row of this GreenStalk as flowers. Look at that. Oh my god, I love that. Is that a beet? That looks like a beet. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely obsessed. And then look how freaking cute frogs. We don't have frogs here in Colorado, I mean, as far as I know, but that is so cute. Like, what am I gonna do with all these? I just want to like stick them on all these. This is so freaking cute. I think my favorite one is this. I don't know. It looks like you get different ones. So if I order another tower, I'll get like a bunch of different ones because I've seen in videos they're all kind of different, but I love them all. They're all so good. Okay, so then we get this. It says, "Open Me GreenStalk Setup and Instructions, 10 Years of GreenStalk Garden." That's exciting. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Something else in here? Yes, okay, so it comes with a few things. First of all, we got some jalapenos, which I'm already growing. This is really exciting. So this is a seed pack from GreenStalk Garden. 1 to 2 seeds per pocket, 4 inches deep. Wow, so I could just directly sow into your GreenStalk. So I might try to directly sow one of these. Even though I already have jalapeno peppers, why not have more? Okay, thank you for choosing our small family business. And then we love seeing what you grow. So that's really cool. If you guys want to get a GreenStalk, I have a link in the bio where you can get $10 off. And right now they are doing a Mother's Day sale, I believe. So definitely go check that out. But they give you a good idea of what to plant. So I have this is the one I purchased with the bigger pots just because I wanted the original one, and maybe if I order a second one in the future, I'll try the leaf. It's the original and the leaf. So look at all of these. That's exciting. Then it tells you exactly how to plant it, like set it up, how to water it, and then it gives you an idea of how things work. So you fill up the reservoir up here, and then the water goes down, fills up the next reservoir, fills up the next reservoir, and there are holes in each reservoir which bring water to your plants, which is cool. You can see on these. I just think this is a really cool setup. If you guys know, I'm really into the tower garden. You can see there's little holes right here. The tower garden is also a vertical planting system, but the tower garden is a little bit different because it's a aeroponic, similar to hydroponic system, whereas this is completely soil. So yeah, this is cool. I'm like so excited. Okay, let's see what happened here. Oh, cool. Damien filled my packet. Looks like this box was so damaged when I got here, and I think because the movers, they try to grab it and they poke holes in it, or like the UPS people. But your GreenStalk was packed with care by Damien. That is so cool that they have that. It really makes you get the feel of like this is a family-owned business, which is what I love, and you're supporting a family. So this is great for kindling, so I'll definitely be putting that in the fire pit. Oh my gosh, this is good quality too. So I got the regular. I didn't really care about the basket weave, and I didn't want to spend extra money, but these are huge. So here's my forearm, and it's about the same size as my forearm, which is about 6 to 7 inches, I believe. I could be wrong, I'm just guessing, but wow. So it looks like that. These are pretty deep. Like this feels like it could fit one whole bag of soil, but who knows. I really hope it doesn't do that much, but we'll see. And it has the locking feet on there that you can like lock it, I guess, together. I'll have to figure it out, and when I do my setup, I'll totally film this. But it came with 5 of these, which is, I believe, what the normal is. If I can even get it, but you can see there's 5 right there. So I'm gonna keep this all back. You can see there's like a hole down there. That's where like this whole box is like pretty damaged, which sucks because it's nice to be able to store it in here if you're not using it or if you're moving. But that's okay. So I'm gonna store this all in here, and then I'm gonna share with you guys my whole setup for when I'm ready to do the whole setup. I'm going to put all of this back, and then I'm gonna come back and put this all together probably next weekend, because I'll be ready next weekend to plant everything. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna store it in here. I also have another, you can see down here, I also have another, it's a cedar craft, and it's a self-watering elevated planter. So you guys will see, I will definitely be using that as well. So let me get this back in here, and on one of my other videos, I will show putting this together.